Okay, so here we have a Samsung S7, and then we have a Note 5, we have a Note 4, and then we have a S7 Edge Plus. Now, some of the common problems we have with these phones is that the charging ports will stop working on them, and people will go to replace them, and you think that you could just pull out this guy here because it's all attached to a ribbon cable, but all the way down here on this side and this side on each of these phones, it's actually a ribbon cable that wraps up and underneath the frame. It goes underneath this glass right here to give you your back and your menu keys. So when you go and try and pull that out, you can rip that and then you end up losing your keys there and then won't be able to use them. So we have to solder them. So for now, we're just going to start with this Note 4 here. Go through what that process looks like. So